In this video, I will show you a quick demo of one of the projects I work on. It consists of many applications for a travel agency. So I will access to the application as administrator who can manage visitors and group of travel. So I will enter credentials. In case of wrong credentials, I am not able to access. I am notified about that the credentials are incorrect, and in case of correct credentials, I can access successfully. So the first page I can see is the one of managing groups. So the admin can create a group. He should enter information about the group, so the date of the travel and the time, as well as the transport that will be used. I will enter some data. And then I can confirm that this data is the one I want. So I am notified about the success of the operation, and the record is added successfully. Then we can see the details of a specific group. So I can click on this A icon. So here are the informations of that group. I can also edit the information of a specific group. I can change whatever data I am interested in. So for example, I will change this. I can change also the time. And finally, I can change the transport that will be used. I confirm, and I am notified about the success of the operation. And I can see that the data has been changed successfully. Then we can also generate the document which contains information about users or about visitors belonging to a specific group. I will click on this icon, and the document is generated. I can open it to see the content. And for example, this group here contains just 2 records, and there are the information about the visitors belonging to this group. And the last operation existing for a group entity is to delete it. So I can click on delete icon. I can confirm, and I am notified about the success of the operation, and I can no longer see the record. We can also manage visitors. As an administrator, we can manage visitors. So I click here, so I can either create, see details about the visitor, edit the information about visitor, and the last thing is to delete a visitor. So first I can create a visitor. So by giving those information, I will enter some information. I can choose the country of the visitor, and here I should enter an email. That in which the visitor will receive an email containing a QR code that the visitor should save to use it later. So I will give this email here. I can give a phone number, and here I should specify the identity documents I am owning. So for example, I will choose this one, and the number of this document, and the group to which this visitor will belong, so the travel group. So I can, for example, choose this group, and also we should enter an image of the identity document of the visitor. So I will use some fake image. I will choose the other side of the identity document, and finally I can specify the sex of the visitor, and finally I can click on create. So I am notified about the success of the operation. I can check if the record has been added. Yes, so here is it, the record. Here the information, and now I can check the email inbox to see if an email has been received. So here is it, the email has been received. The subject is registration confirmation with QR code. I can open this email. So when opening the email, I can see an image containing the QR code. So I can scan it to see the encoded data inside it. So after scanning this QR code, I can see something like this. So there are data about the visitor. So for example, persona number, which is the name in Spanish, which is here Amin, persona apellido, here Younes, and also the number of the identity document. So I can continue uh, uh, exploring the features of this mini application. So I can see details about a visitor. So here are the information about him, and I can also see the uploaded image of the identity document. So here is the front side, and here is the back side, and the rest are the other information about the visitor. I can also edit information about a visitor. So I can edit whatever information I need to edit. For example, we change the name. I can change the country, and also for the email, the phone number, and etc. So I will click on update. So I am notified about the success of the operation, and I can see that the information has been changed successfully. And finally, if I need to delete a visitor, I can click on this icon. So I will confirm the operation. A notification about the success operation is shown, and the record is deleted. And finally, to exit the application, we can click on logout, and we will be redirected to the login page. Thank you for watching.